Okay, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have something known as the Malibu Sunset. All right, we start off with 4 ounces of pineapple juice. Okay, then we need every high school girl's favorite fucking drink, Malibu rum. And Malibu, if you are wondering, is, if you do find it in your daughter's bedroom, it is a pretty safe drink. Has about the same alcohol content as wine. And we'll need about 2 ounces of that. So about a shot and a half. Alrighty. Yep. Alright, now we're set to shake this up. Shake it up like you're jacking off a blue whale. Alright, last ingredient. Grenadine. Now, I hope I've done this right, because right now you got about 1 ounce of grenadine in here. And if I've done this right, and okay, you kind of get that layered effect. So that's the Malibu Sunset. Cheers. It isn't bad, but man, is it sweet. So probably about one of them. See what happens if I mix it up here. So now it's just a little more red. This is a little later in the day when you're half conscious lying on the beach. Ain't bad. Like I said, it's pretty sweet, but I could probably have 1 or 2 of them.